Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use multi-window and freeform apps on your DOOGEE Tab G6 Max. So first of all, we're gonna need to enable this feature because it's not turned on by default. So we're gonna need to open settings and go to about tablet menu. Here, scroll all the way to the bottom until you find the build number. Tap it like 7 times and then enter your password to confirm. This way you will unlock the developer options on your device, and to get to them we're gonna need to go back to settings, open system settings and scroll down to developer options. Now here in developer options we're gonna need to scroll down until we find this three toggles. Okay, so we need to enable force activities to be resizable, enable non-resizable and multi-window, and also enable freeform windows, not for secondary display. Okay, then you're gonna see a message like this. Tap reboot now and wait until your tablet is restarted. Once the device is restarted, let's relaunch it. Then let's open any application like our browser, for example, and go to the recents view. Now let's tap the applications icon and select freeform. So now we can open our browser application in a windowed mode, and we can also resize it like this. We can move it on the screen and we can open different apps in the background. Although, as you can see, it's kind of complicated because it's not fully supported, this feature. Therefore, opening other windows might as well close your first floating one. Which unfortunately happens, but generally speaking, that's how we do it. Now we have these control buttons to open our window in the full screen mode, to minimize it or to close it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.